Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno8 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So we will begin with customization and then I'll show you much faster access to this option. So let's start with opening the settings, and here let's tap on display and brightness. As you can see right here we've got the eye comfort mode, so let's tap, and before we will be able to customize it we have to turn it on just by tapping on the switcher. And as you can see the screen immediately changes the color, and so right now it is, let's say, yellowish or even amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light, so if you're a night owl it is the best mode to use for you. So we can customize it by changing the screen color temperature. By going to the left we can make it much cooler, and to the right much warmer, it's almost orangish. What's more, here we've got the display effects. So currently we've got the color set, so of course the screen is yellow but the colors are still available. So as you can see on the switcher it is still green, and we can set black and white option, which means simply that everything will be monochromatic, so everything will be displayed in black, white and gray colors. It's up to you. I will stick with the color option. What's more, we can schedule that feature, so just tap on custom, and as you can see the turn on and off time immediately appears, so we can change it just by swiping. So just pick the one you'd like to use and remember to tap on save. And as you can see the screen turns to its normal state. It is of course because we are not between the start and end time. But let me turn it off and turn on the eye comfort. So basically this is the whole customization of this mode, and if you'd like to have much faster access to it, all you have to do is to simply unroll the top bar and unroll it fully, and here we've got the eye comfort icon, which is currently turned on. If you want to turn it off, just tap on it. If for some reason you cannot find the eye comfort icon here, no worries, nothing happened. Just tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner and the eye comfort will appear somewhere here. You can tap on it, hold it, and then drag it to this panel to later on have much faster access to it. So actually this is it. This is how to enable the eye comfort mode in your OPPO Reno8. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.